Hello my friends and welcome to my next Android YouTube tutorial. As you may have noticed, I have changed the background for the splashy screen, but outside of that we are good. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to be working with a few files. We're going to be working with our manifest today. We're going to work with our main activity, and we're going to work with splashes. Okay, we're going to start off with splashes. So what we want to do, we want the splashes to, it's going to extends the activity. We're extending the activity. Okay, my friends. Okay, notice how we're getting this error. What we need to do is we need to import activity. So we just hover over, click a little, import. Okay, we've imported the activity. Okay. Now, what we want to do, we want to create we want to set up an uncreate method. So right click, go to source, override, okay, and then you just come down, uncreate bundle, okay, bada bing, bada boom. Over here we are going to come right here, we're going to set content view to r dot t, I'm sorry, layout dot splash. Okay. Alright. Now, what we want to do, we for this is we basically just want to set up a thread. So we're going to create a thread called timer. Okay. And this is going to be a new thread. Okay. What we do from here. So we're going to set up this. We're going to create this public void run. Okay, we're going to try to sleep. Okay. Now, anything basically what you put in this bracket is how long you're going to go to sleep for, how long the nappy pool is going to be, and for basically 1000 equals 1 second. So you want to sleep for 1 second, you put in 1000. You want to sleep for 10 seconds, you sleep for 10,000. Put in 10,000. Let's say 3,000 for Pete's sake. Okay. Alright, and now what we're going to do is we're going to catch any errors. So catch interrupted exception e, okay, e dot. So we have the interrupted exception, except we've spelled interrupted wrong. Okay, and we've also T must be capitalized because we're creating a new thread. Okay, so E dot, we're going to print stack trace. Okay, and we're going to close this, and then we're going to finally we're going to create a new intent. So intent go nexty equals new intent. Okay, and inside these brackets is where nexty we're going to be. So where we're gonna go after this. So R, I'm sorry, that's not what we want to put it there. We want to put in com dot fire fod browser dot main activity. Okay. Okay. So now we're going to start activity. Go next. Timer dot start. Okay. So now we want to create an unpause, which will also finish the activity. So right click source, override, and pose. Okay, super dot on pose. Okay, finish. Okay. Okay. So we pretty much finished up our Java class, our splashes class. Okay. What we're going to do, I did make a mistake. I do need to correct. Okay. So this is just essentially this intent. The go next to intent. It basically it's going to point to this file, this class, the main activity class, which is right here. Okay, and this is not where it's located. See, it's located .com, .file, .main activity. So let's get rid of T in browser. Okay, now that's where that's located. Okay, the set content view. What this does essentially, it will point this to the XML file splash. So basically we're importing the layout, okay, what it's going to look like, and we're writing the functionality in the background. This is what this does right here. Okay, so the next YouTube tutorial, we're going to come and write in the main activity. We're going to finish up with the manifest, and then we're going to test out the splashy screen. Okay, so until then, come again.